Alright, this is for the Venom Terra tires on a 99 Dodge Ram 5.9. There's been a lot of questions about the noise, so I'm going to go ahead and take it up to 65 on the highway up here. And I'm going to open and close the window so you can tell the difference. We're approaching the highway right now. That's my engine. You can start to hear it now. Alright, this is where you really start to hear it. That's me off the acceleration. On the acceleration. Back down to 60, 50. So that's it.
If I push this one in here, it's loose. All this is loose. All this right here, and right here. This is a Terra Hunter XT35. Venom power. They don't have any nail, anything. Use the bumps right there. This one right here. This one right there. But as you can see, there's no any nail or any kind of hole anywhere. Use a fabric defect. I don't know if they can replace that one. If it's on a good tray. It's most new.